Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to connect this Rayban glass, Meta glass on your mobile. Okay, to view it. So you need to download this Meta View app. Okay, just download it and then open it. So here itself it clearly says remove the protective tab and leave the glasses inside the case. Okay, so it's already inside. Okay, inside the box. So I'm just closing it. Now I need to wait 30 seconds for the case LED to turn blue. So once if it turns blue, right, if the case LED turns blue, press and hold the pairing button on the back of the case for 5 seconds. Release when the case LED turns blue. So when I open it, right, it turns green, but I need blue color. So on this back side, right, this is a pairing button. Okay, this is the pairing button. If you don't have the case, right, you can just move on to the next step. So press and hold the begin pairing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. Okay, and here in the glass right side you can see this pairing mode. So before the turn it on. So with the both arms are closed, so I need to close this. Actually I forget that. Okay, once it is closed, right, then press and hold the capture button. So this is the capture button. So I need to press and hold this. Press and hold this for 5 seconds. See? Now it is in pairing mode. Okay, you need to close this arms. Both arms should be closed, and then you need to press this pairing button for 5 seconds. Capture button for 5 seconds. Then automatically it will be enabled. The blue button is blinking now. So now I'm going to tap done. It's searching. So I need to connect this. So I'm going to give pair. It's activating. Already I have added my Facebook account. So Bluetooth also is turned on. So that's it, friends. Hello. Put on your glass. So that's it, friends. Now everything is set. Now I'm going to wear this glass and gonna see what's gonna happen. So wow, I heard the sound. Press the capture button once. Okay, I'm going to press this capture button once. Wow, it's taking photo. Oh, for recording, press and hold. Okay. Press the capture button again. Okay, it stops recording. Okay, cool. Tap the touchpad once. Oh, okay, good. Wow. I'm able to listen to songs. Oh, okay. So whatever it shows, right, you can do it on your phone. Okay, and then now tap touchpad once to pause the music. Yes, it's done. Super. It's a great job. Then next, go hands free with voice controls. So I'm going to do the setups. Enable voice controls. Next, allow while using app. Okay, voice recording also you can store it actually. So do this later. Yes, it's done. Super cool. So that's it, friends. Now everything looks good. Super cool, right? So this is the one I just captured it. So media is imported. Super cool. Okay, good. The speaker also is very superb, seriously. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can set up your Meta glass. You can share your videos or pictures to social media. So it's very cool, no? So it's really worth. So camera, you can change anything. Video length, you can change it. So video length up to 3 minutes, you can set it. So voice also you can check that. So definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to me. Thank you, bye and take care.